Hey guys, it's your boy Gary, aka the Plastic Boy. What's going on? How's your week? How are you doing? How are you doing? Let me know in the comments down below how. So today is an exciting video. You guys know I've spoken about this foundation so many times. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have known that I've been dropping hints about a foundation I've been wearing, and it is the Nars Matte Foundation. So this is it here. Why did I not have it ready? So this is it, and this is the Soft Matte Complete Foundation by Nars, and I wear the shade New Caledonia. This foundation is insane. This won't be a first impressions. I've been wearing this foundation for about 3 weeks, maybe more, and it is incredible. But I wanted to show you guys how I apply it, any tips I have. This video isn't sponsored by Nars, just to let you know. It's because I'm going to be using a lot of Nars, and the eyes are already done. I've used Nars. I was actually going to wipe it off and do another eye look, but I thought, Gary, you're moving out this week, you've got a lot on your plate, the eye look is cute, it's all about the foundation in this video, and let's give the girls what they really want. So obviously I'll show the palette that I use and everything, but yeah, I'm going to be showing you how this foundation looks today. So if you want to see what Nars has got, keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to be playing with the foundation today. I've actually got 3 shades with me. I'll swatch them actually. Should I swatch them? I'm going to insert swatches actually in this video because I've already done swatches. FYI, I am working with Nars, but not on YouTube. I'm working with them on Instagram. So I've been testing out this foundation for a while and I really, really like it. And Nars have not sponsored this YouTube video, but I wanted to do this YouTube video for you guys because I actually really, really love this foundation. I genuinely do. So let's get on. So you guys would have seen the swatches and the shades. I've already got 3, but I know the shades of this basically the same in any other foundation. So with Nars foundations, you don't have to really search for another one when they release that new foundations, which I love. I've already put on moisturizer. Sorry, I thought the moisturizer was gonna drop. I'm so sorry if you can hear those fireworks. It's so annoying. So I've already put on moisturizer. I've used Weleda Skin Food. This foundation is matte. It's not drying matte or super matte. It's more of a natural matte. So if your skin isn't prepped properly, child, it's just going to be a madness. So I'm going to go in with the Pore and Shine Control Primer by Nars. I actually love this. I've used it on my channel a few times. It's really nice if you've got like oily skin. It kind of just helps refine the skin. It gives you like a really nice matte finish. But what I like about this, it doesn't have that, you know, that silicone feeling. So, you know, like a bit like a Makeup Forever. What else is quite silicone? Like, you know, like the Maybelline Baby Skin. Those feel quite silicone, even though they're really nice. It's just, I don't really like the feeling of silicone primers. You guys like the eye look? The eye look is so pretty, like it's so nice. So let's get into the foundation. Yeah, as I said before, I wear the shade New Caledonia. If you are in the UK, you'll be happy to know this is exclusive to Boots. So I know we're going into another lockdown. It's just so annoying. Like, what can we do?
Imagine how tired we are of it.
First lockdown was really painful, but I think we can get through this one. We just have to be positive. So you can get this online at Boots. It's exclusive. It'll be linked down below. And I can't remember how much shade this comes in. Is it 36? I think it might be that, but everything we link down below. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this on now. You can use your fingers to apply this or use a sponge. It just depends. I've used this in different ways. I've used my fingers, used a sponge, and I've used a brush. So anyway, I've used a brush, I've used a sponge, I've used my fingers. I'd probably say the best way I like to put it on is with a brush. I like a sponge as well, but I think with a brush, you can really just whack it onto the skin. And guys, look at this coverage. The packaging is anything different. Well, it's very different to what Nars has done before. Because if you notice, Nars's foundations are always like glass, and the tinted moisturizers are normally like in quite squeezy components. So all their foundations are glass, you know, like Sheer Glow, and obviously their notorious Radiant Longwear. I actually love Radiant Longwear, but I always find that I love it and then I try something else, but I love mixing it with other things. But Natural Longwear is just that girl. She's always going to be that girl. But this soft matte one, soft matte is, so basically, in all the 3 weeks that I've been wearing it, I'd probably say this foundation is definitely in my top 5 foundations just because of its properties. It helps control your oil. It literally stays put, and when I say it's soft matte, it's what it says. Because you know, like Natural Longwear, is it Natural Longwear or the Luminous? Is it Natural Long? It's probably Natural Long Wearing, because that foundation, when you hear long wearing, you're actually going to think it's super matte, but that foundation is actually radiant, but it's super long wearing, but it gives you that kind of glow. So it's kind of like a hybrid between Sheer Glow and that, but this foundation is so unique. Like, oh guys, this shade is actually so perfect with me as well. I can actually wear a few shades from Nars, so I'll wear this one and Menace and Marquis, so I can wear a few shades from them because you guys know Nars do not play when it comes to shade ranges, and that is on period. Oh my god, you can legit see my brain. Oh my god, this is so close. I thought I'd zoom in for you guys just so you guys can see the application and how easy this blends in. So I'm basically choosing this buffing brush and I'm just going like that. As you can see by the finish, it actually dries down not too quick. I hate when foundations are so matte and they give you like maybe 0.2 seconds to dry down. It's like, babes, I haven't even bought milk or paid my bills yet. How are you drying down so fast? Like, what? No, this foundation is just so cute. I know this sounds fun, even though I'm working with them, but this YouTube is actually genuine from my heart. When I actually showed it to you guys on Sip and Slay, you guys were like, oh my god, please tell me what it's like. And I feel like, you know, when it comes to winter, I feel like all brands are releasing like quite matte foundations, but I feel like this winter it's been like soft matte, oil controlling, because I feel like in the winter people want to be dewy, but for me, I feel like I want to be dewy and radiant in summer, and I don't mind being matte in the winter, but not too matte because obviously your skin is getting a bit dry. But with this foundation, prep is definitely key. So you don't need a matte moisturizer, a matte primer, matte. You just don't need that. So make sure you use something that's like quite hydrating and quite just with it. But you guys can see, look at that foundation. It's just so pretty, like so bomb. Okay, so that's the foundation now. I haven't set it, and just look how matte it is. It's so nice. The one thing I'll say about this foundation is, yeah, it's basically like a filter on your face. That's the only thing I could like say while applying it, because I watched whose reviews did I watch? I watched Shanine, You Go Too Much Mouth. I've watched, I think Jackie's in a video on it. I think maybe Jackie's in a video. I've seen many MUA use it, and I knew from when Shanine liked it, I knew I was gonna like it, because most of the times when she recommends a foundation, I just know. And obviously it came out in America so much early, so I didn't want to watch the reviews, and by the time I didn't realize I was gonna work with Nars, so I was just like, okay, perfect. But you guys know I like trying stuff for myself. And where's that brush gone for my concealer? How cow! I can't find a brush that I use, so I'm basically gonna use this Huda Beauty one. I'm using this in the shade Hazelnut. So this concealer actually launched a while ago. I don't want to touch my shadow too much, but it launched ages ago. I remember when they launched it, I actually really like this concealer. So you guys know I was obsessed with the Radiant Creamy concealer, but I use that, but I don't use it as much as I used to. But this concealer, this is amazing for cleaning up eyeshadow. This concealer is really good for like spot blemishes, and I feel like if you are a guy and you like wear makeup and stuff and you don't want it to look super like in your face, this by itself would look so nice, especially if you want to wear it like with the foundation. It's super natural, and I feel like you don't need that much. When I say it's full coverage, it's full coverage, and like it's just such an easy bottle to like kind of pack up. It's just really cute. I feel like I'm like saying it to you guys, but it's because I've been using it for 3 weeks and I've never actually tried a foundation for 3 weeks before actually filming it. I don't know, I just really like the finish. I feel like I was like, oh, I just hope it's not too matte, but it's actually really nice. I really like this eye look as well. But see, the concealer's kind of warmed up my under eyes, and the thing with this color Hazelnut, I think because it's a bit warm, it's really nice for counteracting any dark circles. Okay, so on top of that matte concealer, I'm gonna use like a liquid concealer, something a bit more brighter. You guys are gonna drag me, but I actually received this in PR, and the concealer is okay. So this is the KKW concealer in number 12. Guys, she's made the components bigger. I like these concealers here because the undertone is really nice. Actually, I'm not gonna put too much on because see, it's just really golden. Like, it's so nice. So this concealer, I'd probably say it's not dewy and it's not matte. It's very natural also. So I'm just gonna put a tip there. I've also chosen the giveaway winner, so you have to keep watching the video to see if you won or not, but you'll be contacting on Instagram after this video is posted. But thank you guys for like coming through and sharing like what your weekend was like. A lot of you guys really were like saying your weekend was cute, and like you obviously were celebrating Halloween. A lot of you guys didn't have a really like nice week, which was kind of tough because I'm like having such a crazy week as well. So I can feel you guys when you say you're not really enjoying your week. Like, I've been so stressed with this move. It's just been crazy. Moving is not a fun experience, so hopefully this will be like one of the last times I like kind of move into a rented place. But you know, child, with everything that's going on, and plus we're going into like a lockdown which isn't the best, so it's just so uncertain, and like everyone's like, I don't know, I just feel like the world's just kind of like going crazy. And I feel like for you guys that are in the US, by the time this video comes out, I'm not sure when you find out when you have your new president, but I'm just hoping it's a good kind of decision that everyone makes, because putting that guy in the office the first time was a bit mad. So it would really baffle me if I find out he's got like a few more years. Like, I don't know, it's just so sad, but I have hope. You know what I mean? You just gotta be positive, but it really truly is a madness. So by the time this goes out, we go into lockdown on Wednesday, so I think this video will probably go out on Wednesday or Thursday. And so basically tomorrow is kind of the last day we have to really do anything. I'm trying to get all my work out the way and then trying to like pack properly, but I just can't believe. So in here in the UK, we're in lockdown for like a month, forget a month, but child, that's it might be extended. So my birthday is obviously next month, and guys, but obviously there's so much things happening in the world. My birthday isn't a priority, it's just another day, do you know what I mean? So I'm not gonna dwell into it too much, but I hope everyone's okay watching this, and I hope you're protecting yourselves and doing things that make you happy, because life is so short, guys. Like, I feel like I've seen a tweet about people, someone was like, oh, I haven't achieved as much as I want to do this year, and you can't look at it like that, even though you can, even though I've thought that, but you just got to think of all the things that you have done, do you know what I mean? Even though it's easier said than done. Okay, so I'm basically gonna contour now. I'm gonna go with the Conceal by KKW. Guys, just ciao, you know what? So I'm just gonna go under here. So she finally released darker shades, which I find mad. This is a new shade. But to be fair, I think I'm getting a darker shade and being like, this isn't dark enough. This is it. It's actually really nice. Like, I like the applicator. I was gonna say, don't be discouraged if you haven't won the giveaway, because when I move into my new place, I'm gonna be doing so many giveaways because I've got so much makeup and I can't do enough giveaways in the time that I have to move away, because obviously I move out next week. And I wish I could like just do like a big giveaway, like multiple, but child, I haven't got the time. I haven't got the time, so definitely keep tuned for more vlog giveaways, because you know it's going to be hella lit. I'm just going to set using the Huda Beauty Kunapa, but you can see, and also the foundation photographs insane. Guys, the most maddest thing, actually, should I say it in this video, because it's a bit mad. So basically, maybe I shouldn't, because people are outside and to hear me talking about it, they might kidnap me. It's just a tiny bit mad. Cause I forgot to tell you guys as well, there won't be a vlog on Sunday, because I'm not vlogging this week, because all my stuff is just getting into boxes and just, it's so hard for me. Like, it's a bit crazy. So let me know if you want a video on Sunday but something else, because I could try and record something, but I'm trying to think what videos you guys want. I'm just so sad I'm missing a week of vlogging, but when I get into my new place and once I'm in, it's gonna be so freaking lit. Like, it's gonna be insane. I'm gonna go in with the Nars Bronzer. I really like this bronzer, and I was actually using it with a brush earlier, and I was like, wow, this is so pigmented. So this is the Nars Bronzer in Quimba. What's it called? Quimba. This is it here, so I'm just gonna put some down there. In the pan, it looks a tiny bit lighter than it is, especially with my lighting, but guys, this bronzer is hella dark. When I say it's dark, like, it's so pigmented as well, so it definitely depends on what kind of brush you use and the finish. So you can see, I think it's buildable, but see, if I was to dip my brush in it, it would look very mad. So I'm gonna go in with a tiny bit of blush. I'm trying to think if I should tell you guys that story. I'm scared in case I get kidnapped. Okay, let me tell you. So a few days ago, I had just come, where was I? I had a really bad migraine, and I was just chilling in bed. I literally just came out the shower, and it was really quiet like this, so there wasn't anything going on. So anyway, I was just chilling, and then, oh, here is, police. Guys, it was so loud that I thought people were gonna break into, I thought they were coming into my building. I literally thought someone had framed me, because you know, sometimes people in this world can be so wicked, but obviously it wasn't me, because I haven't done anything illegal. So anyway, my next door neighbor, can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me good? Hope you can hear me. His house got raided. Yes, raided by the police. I'm whispering because I don't want to get kidnapped.
Whatever that means.
It was just so scary, because I've seen that kind of thing happen before back in Birmingham. I remember, like, it was one of the biggest ones I've ever seen, because the guy across the road was doing, you know, selling illegal activity things, you know, things that, child, you get the deal. But anyway, this happened, and I was like, what this? There was like 20 of them, and they were all like undercover dress, so they just look like normal people. It was so scary, and obviously they found things in the room. I can't say what it is because obviously this is big YouTube. I don't want to be taken into court for accessory to crime. And it was just crazy. Like, you just never know what your next door neighbors are doing. And like, I've seen this person before in the lift, spoken to them, and it was just so scary. But luckily I'm just leaving. I'm getting my shit and leave because I ain't got time to be in no CSI case. There's just no time for it. So it was just crazy. So this is exhibit A. It's so cute. So I was thinking, should I put on highlight? Actually, I haven't worn highlight for ages, but I still love highlight. It's just, I like the looks I've been doing, haven't required highlight. I was actually gonna do an all matte look, which I did do for my Instagram look, but I'm gonna put highlight on. This is a Dose of Colors one. This is in a shade called Miriam. I've actually never used this before. My friend gave it to me, so let's see if it's, ooh, let me see if it's cute because I've never used anything from Dose of Colors. It's so weird. It looks like a powder, but it's going on. It's actually a really nice formula, but I didn't expect it to be so intense. Okay, so I actually really don't like the highlight. I do not like it. It's giving me like a cast. Can you guys see? I don't know. I just don't know if I like it. Maybe it's because it's new, but yeah, it's giving me a slight, oh child. But anyway, I'm gonna go in with some liner. This is from literally my thoughts lost me because I was so baffed by this highlight. I've been doing something new with my lips also. I'm not sure why I always try and talk when I'm doing lips. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Morphe Confess. This is such a banging lipstick and affordable also. It's a bit brown now. And then I'm gonna go in with Oma, which is called Eartha. This is such a good nude. It's, oh, this lipstick looks better, so I was gonna press this on also. Then this is actually an eyeliner, but this is by Marc Jacobs and it's called Earthquake. I'm not sure why I tried to use it on my lips because I don't really use it in my eyes because it's quite neutral. And on the lips, it's such a vibe. So let's go like that. Look at this shape, it's such a nice, as a liner. It's quite creamy as well, but the thing is it dries super matte. So it's such a good liner, guys. Oh, see, look how this, it's actually like a lip contour. It's such a good shade. See how it's so banging and it matches the eyes as well. I love this as a lip liner. So this is the finished look, guys. What do you think? It's obviously quite natural, but just look at the skin. Like, can we just take a moment? Like, this foundation is so bomb. A lot of you guys who watch me, or if you're from America, if you're from Canada, you already have the foundation. So we're late, okay? We're late. It's because you know, America just gets things a bit quicker, but this is so cute. And let me show you the palette that I use. So this is the Nars Extreme Effects palette. I've actually had this for such a long time, but I was watching Jackie's video and she actually used this and I was like, I actually have this. So this is it here, and I used that. No, I used that in the crease there. Then I used that to buff out the edges, and then I went with that on the lid, and I also used that. So this palette is so nice. So you can actually do a really nice pinky soft glam with this, and it's got a few gold shimmers, and the shades are just insane. But yeah, I use it on the eyes, and I think it's just such a cute kind of like soft but striking but bad bitch kind of look. Yeah, so guys, tell me what you think of this foundation in the comments down below, and obviously I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know what kind of ideas you want for next Sunday's video. A Sip and Slay won't be on Friday, but I might try and upload at Ask Gary. Also, oh my god, I haven't done the giveaway winners. Duh. So okay, it's giveaway announcement time. So the winner is Jennifer Buckley. She goes, "Hi Gary, Auntie Jenny here. I look so forward to seeing your videos. May I suggest that you get Grace Jones's autobiography. It's a great read. It would also look great on your coffee table. Period." And that's on period, poo. I'm not having the best weekend. Eyes puffed up from crying, but you cheered me up like you always do. From me to you. Such a sweet comment, and thank you so much, Jennifer. You have won the goodies. Congratulations. I'll look out for a DM on my Instagram, and don't worry guys, there'll be much more giveaways, and once I move into my new place, as I said before, it's gonna be on period. I shall see you next week guys in my new place, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me guys know if you do cop the foundation. Obviously the foundation will be linked down below, so if you are buying it, the links are down below, and it's on period to help a bitch out, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.